Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 3D printer in 2026 for speed, precision, and multicolor printing, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner, hobbyist, or running a small production setup, today's list covers the top 5 3D printers that deliver serious performance. From ultra-fast CoreXY machines to advanced multicolor systems, we've got something for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's jump right into it. Number 1. FLASHFORGE AD5X Multicolor 3D Printer. Taking the top spot is the FLASHFORGE AD5X, featuring multicolor printing, 600 millimeters per second speed, 300 degrees Celsius direct drive extruder, and precision-focused CoreXY design. This is the best overall 3D printer of 2026 on this list. It combines speed, precision, and multicolor capabilities into one powerful machine, perfect for both professionals and serious hobbyists. Pros: built-in multicolor printing, extremely fast and precise, high temp extruder, 300 degrees Celsius, reliable CoreXY structure. Cons: premium pricing, learning curve for advanced features. Number 2. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. The Adventurer 5M features fully auto leveling, 600 millimeters per second speed, and a 280 degrees Celsius direct extruder, all built into a solid CoreXY structure. This printer stands out for its ease of use and reliability. The detachable nozzle system makes maintenance super simple, especially for beginners. Pros: fully auto leveling system, easy nozzle replacement in 3 seconds, fast and efficient printing, beginner-friendly setup. Cons: no built-in multicolor support, standard build volume. Number 3. Creality K2 Plus Combo. This is a powerhouse machine with a massive 350 by 350 by 350 millimeter build volume, 600 millimeters per second speed, and advanced multicolor printing using CFS. If you need large-scale printing and multicolor capability, this is one of the best options out there. The dual AI cameras improve print accuracy and monitoring. Pros: huge build volume, multicolor printing included, dual AI cameras for smart monitoring, high-speed performance. Cons: takes up more space, higher price point. Number 4. Creality K2 SE. This Creality K2 SE offers 500 millimeters per second high-speed printing, auto-leveling, and a direct drive extruder with support for multicolor printing via CFS upgrade. A great mid-range option, the K2 SE balances performance and affordability. It's sturdy, reliable, and easy to maintain thanks to its quick swap nozzle. Pros: strong metal build quality, fast and stable printing, easy nozzle replacement, affordable compared to competitors. Cons: multicolor requires extra add-on, slightly smaller build area. Number 5. FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro. The FLASHFORGE AD5M Pro is a high-speed CoreXY 3D printer capable of printing at up to 600 millimeters per second, featuring full auto calibration, dual nozzle bundle, and ultra-quiet operation at under 50 decibels. This printer is perfect if you want speed without sacrificing print quality. The enclosed design and cooling system make it reliable for longer prints, while the built-in camera adds convenience for monitoring. Pros: super fast printing speed, 600 millimeters per second. Quiet operation equals 50 decibels. Auto calibration saves time. Built-in camera for remote monitoring. Cons: slightly higher price for beginners. Limited build volume compared to larger models. All right, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers in 2026. If you're ready to upgrade your setup or start your 3D printing journey, you'll find all the product links down in the description below. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our upcoming tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.